Do you have any idea how we can actually speak with a robot? We use English to communicate, and robots have a special kind of language which you already know, that is mathematics. In this video, we are going to perform a simple activity to understand what we are going to communicate to the robot using math. Let's get started. In this activity, we are going to understand how much time a pump is going to take to draw 250 ml of water from the tank to the plant using 7 simple steps. In your step 1, let's gather all the materials which are required. Take a measuring mug, a stopwatch, a submersible pump, a tube, battery, and a battery connector. Pause the video, grab all the materials, and we'll continue the video. In your step 2, identify the battery connector and the battery, and now connect the battery connector to the battery just like this. In your step 3, let's identify the positive and the negative terminal of the battery. Just remember that the red wire is positive and black wire is negative. In your step 4, identify the water delivery tube and the pump and attach the tube to the pump firmly. Pause the video, complete the step, and then resume the video. In step 5, place the pump in the measuring mug and fill it with water till the pump is fully submerged. In step 6, open your stopwatch with the mobile phone and find a friend who can help you to turn on the stopwatch exactly the time when you're going to turn on the pump. In your step 7, touch the positive and negative of the battery to the pump until the pump delivers 250 ml of water. Take a note of the time which is required and write it in your activity book. Now that you know the time required to transfer 250 ml of water from the tank to the plant, all we need to do is construct the robot, communicate with the robot to turn on the pump for a specific period of time and again turn it off. So in the next video, let's begin to construct our robot.